Hey everyone. I was just watching some Night Mine, because horror's fun and all. But then, as I'm listening to it, the video is playing, volumes are pretty high, and I can just barely hear a noise, and I don't understand what it is. It's like a fucking scream. I don't know what the fuck that was, but it kind of freaked me out because of what I was watching. But it's probably nothing. There's all these overactive imagination, most likely. But oh, would you look at that? It's raining. Probably just overactive imagination on my part, but if it wasn't, I'll let you know. Yeah, okay.